Hi guys, this is receiving a VHS reviews here, and today I'm going to show my Birds VHS DVD, CD, card, and book collection. Let's get started. First up is Chicken Run 2000 VHS. From the creators of Walls of Grown is the front, spine, and the back. Here's the tape. This is the white case. Next one is the Pebble and the Penguin 1995 VHS is the front, spine, and the back. Here's the tape. We have the DVDs. Chicken Run 2000 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Next one is Baby Einstein, Baby Noah 2004 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc, sheet booklet, and the parent's guide. Next one is Chicken Little 2006 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Inside. This is broken there. Next one is Rio 1 2011 DVD from the creators of Ice Age 1. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Next one is Rio 2 2014 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Next one is Strawberries, Shortcake, Butterflies, and Bluebirds 2012 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Next one is The Penguins of Madagascar 2015 DVD from the creators of Madagascar 1. Here's the front, spine, and the back. A whole lot of fun. Here's the disc. This is the orange case. Next one is VeggieTales Christmas Double Feature 2004 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's this. Broken. Next one is Mr. Popper's Penguins 2011 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's this. Next one is Daffy Duck and Friends 1991 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's disc. Oh, this is broken. Destroy later. Next one is Happy Feet 1 2007 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's disc 1. Here's disc 2. Next one. The Mighty Ducks 1992 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's disc. And that's the inside. Next one is Mickey, Donald, Goofy, The Three Musketeers, 2004 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's disc. Yeah, it's inside. Next one is Mickey's Twice Upon a Christmas, 2004 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc, and that's inside. Next one is Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Mickey's Adventures in Wonderland, 2009 DVD. The Lego movie is the front, spine, and the back. A Most Curious Adventure. Here's this. This is the red case. Next one is Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Quest for Crystal Mickey, 2013 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. The fate of the clubhouse is a stake. Here's the disc. Next one is Thunderbirds Coming to the Rescue, 2004 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. This disc is broken. Next one is Up, 2009 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Dog Special Mission. Ellie's funeral. Ellie's go up to heaven. Here's the disc. And that's inside. Next one is Up, 2009 UK DVD. From Aquarius of Finding Nemo on Monsters Inc. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Partly cloudy variable sort. Here's the disc. The parent's guide. Next one is Your Baby Can Read Volume 3, 2009 DVD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Duck. Here's the disc. Duck. And 10 ducks. Next one is Songs from DVDs, 2009 CD. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Chick. Here's the disc. A chick. There's 10 chicks and 1 chick. Next one is Songs from the DVDs, RL CD, 2008 CD. Chick. There's a little chick. 10 little chicks. And cards. Duck. This is the mother duck. And here's a yellow card. And the books. Next one is Volume 3, 2009 book. Here's the front, back. Chick. This baby chick is so small that she could fit in your hand. What colors do you see on a cute chick, a little chick? The last one is Up, 2009 book. Here's the front, spine, and the back. And the orange book. Newsreel. Spirit of Adventure. Meet Ellie. Married Life. He's going up to heaven. Carl Alone. Construction Zone. Russell. Carl's Mistake. Carl Goes Up. Interrupted. Storm. Where are we? Stuck. The Journey Begins. Hunting Dogs. Kevin. Graffiti. Doug. Talking dogs. Campfire. Just come to camp. Muns. Dinner. Pursuit. Stuff I remember the most. Muns takes Kevin to jail. Paradise Falls. Message from Ellie. Cleaning house. Rescue Russell. Rescue Kevin. All bank fight. A topic pool. Back home and in credits. Okay guys, that's it. So, if you like my content, please click like and subscribe. Or see you next time.